catch a fish, we can't catch a shark. We need a fish to catch a shark.
So here we are, dropping into Tingalpa Creek. That's the boat we're going to spend the next 24 hours on. Come on. Oh, okay, ready?
Yeah.
That's as good as we're getting, mates. There's bird shit on my seat.
G'day guys, it's Ronan here. Today we're out in a little sweet spot called the Tingalpa Creek. It's southeast of the Northern Territory, right here located in Queensland. And we're gonna just mosey on down this river.
Really crap. Does it say that there's fish?
Yeah.
There's a lot of smoke from your thing. I'm gonna die.
Fuck me.
So it's just starting to feel real shit that we're not just gonna fucking get anything, to be honest.
It's called fishing, not catching.
That annoyed me. We've stopped. We're setting up some crab pots. Hopefully what kind of crabs are we getting? Mud crabs. And they have to be like this big, I'm pretty sure. We'll see if we get anything. We got like an old Woolworths chicken that's too bad for us to eat, but great for the crabbies to eat. And we have caught nothing to eat. The crab pots have nothing. Oh no. Why is there nothing in it?
It's okay, I'll fucking do it.
It's starting to get really, really windy. These nasty clouds coming up. We've made a mistake. We've caught nothing. This is close to disaster. Disaster.
There was a rain sprinkle.
Sprinkling rain. That cloud. That one. That cloud. Oh no. Why? What's going to happen if it rains, Ronan? Are we going to give up on this challenge?
Maybe.
No, we brought tarp.
Yeah, no, we'll be right. We haven't even caught dinner yet.
Australian natural gas.
Jesus. You haven't caught shit.
Yuck.
Yuck. Oh shit. Just lost it. Beauty sucked it right off. Oh. Make sure you show everybody your little friend. Oh, how cute. We might not be going hungry tonight.
We'll be.
Oh,
We're still hungry.
we're still hungry. Good one though.
Getting bigger.
I brought the lights.
Right.
So look, your tinny isn't. It's not metal.
It's aluminium.
What? There's no part of your boat metal. Yeah!
Fuck off.
This little thing on the top. Ah! You could have bloody fucking told me that the bimney was coming over. Jesus. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fucking hell. Hi. We crashed again.
There goes my favourite lure.
Oh yeah, braid though. Braid super strong.
Yep, best you can get.
I'm so sorry.
Bugger.
I honestly thought we were going to catch something. And it wasn't until we were like out here that I realised I personally have only ever caught 3 fish in my entire life. That we're actually going to go hungry tonight. Alright, it's officially night time.
We're gonna find a good place to camp up for the night.
Oh no! Fucking God! Why did all of this happen? I'm driving forward!
No, you don't. Right. To the left. To the right.
Fucking Jesus.
Right.
This is our sleeping tent. Alright, so here we are in the tent on the boat, tied up to a tree with 0 fucking food.
In our beds, we can't blow them up.
We can't blow up the beds, that's right. We can't blow them up. Because they don't have like mouth valves, they have like insert a plug valve. Dude, it's not gonna work.
S-O-S.
What? No, that's not how that works. Each letter, do you know how to do SOS?
No.
Still optimistic that we're going to catch something, aren't we? Ronan said no. We'll be fine. Everything will be fine. Oh!
What?
There's a prawn stuck to the bottom of my foot. Oh.
Hello!
Stop.
You're angry.
I'm getting hungry. Our fire died.
Fire's bored.
The fire's gone. Don't turn on the water. Still haven't caught any kind of dinner whatsoever. At this point, we are going hungry, but I'm sure we'll catch something. We have to catch something, right? Right?
Right. Jesus. In the wilderness, anything can happen. Anything.
That was weird.
Alright, we've got to get serious. Alright.
Alright, how are we getting serious?
Hello, fishy. I've come to talk about your extended home loan.
Extended warranty.
But we're in a housing crisis.
Yeah, true. I'm on.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. It's real small.
That's right, we're going to eat it. We are eating it. Oh, we're eating it. You're on. That's dinner.
It's a little, we can't.
We can. Oh yeah, it's dinner.
No, it's not.
It is.
No! No, actually no. You'd have to eat.
Do you want to eat him?
No. He's barely a fucking KFC tender, mate.
I'm going to regret that.
What is it? A little broomy.
Hello, Bryn.
Ow! You fuck.
I've eaten him too.
There he is. Woo, woo, woo. He's too small. He lives. We've got little bells to wake us up if we get some fish.
Where's the pillows?
How is it? It's not that bad, right?
It's pretty bad.
Hey, you can't take up that much room.
That's how I sleep. What are you going to do?
I can't take up a little space when I sleep. You absolutely can't take up that much.
You need a pillow.
I thought one of those were mine.
No. Come lay down.
Good night. This is the first time we've seriously woken up. Oh, every other time it's been like, awake asleep, awake asleep, awake asleep, yeah. There was a few times the rods went off. Ding-ling-ling-ling. With the bell, caught a catfish. But the GoPro ran out of battery by that point. You missed it. Sucks to be you. Time is 4:05. We just put in another line. I'm gonna try and go back. Kill it. Mozzies. Did you get it? We'll see you when it's daylight. Bye. There's these little bugs and they're fucking everywhere. Look. And they're biting. Look, and I opened this thing to get out. And you probably can't even see them, but they're everywhere. Fuck off!
Yeah, they're midges.
Are they biting you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Spray.
Your vapor day. Stop! They're biting me!
Stop it, it's gonna break.
We're being surrounded and swarmed by midges. How are midges different from mosquitoes? They itch for days.
Yeah.
I thought they were mosquitoes. You've been attacked, mate. It's bad, Ronan.
Yeah.
We've outrun the midges. Woohoo! How was your sleep, Ronan?
It was very bad.
We're gonna go check on the crab pots. Maybe we can get some breakfast. I'm not gonna lie, there was at least a couple of times where each of our stomachs actually woke the other up.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, fuck!
You're gonna have to pull it.
Oh no. Alright, ears open. What a shame, mateys. 2 empty crab pots. Oh. I'm pretty hungry. I do think doing a survival challenge was a bad idea. It was pretty fun. The next time we bring food in the cooker, but we don't show people. And then if we do catch something, then we cook it and we make it survival later on after that. But if we don't, we then just make it crazy. No, and then people won't know. It's a good one. What'd you see?
Push back.
A push bike?
Yeah.
What, in the reeds?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're getting there. Why don't they dump the bike here? No one's...
Oh, off you go. Jump on those mangroves, mate. Okay, go. Commit. You're gonna have to commit. You're gonna find
You're gonna float away.
I'm floating away. I'm floating away.
Actually, a little closer. That's a pretty good bite. That's the fixer up.
It doesn't fit in your fucking boat. Alright, so we found a bike. We've got Altera and Shimano gear set. Are we stealing a bike? So it's a GT Altera.
I don't know what year model it is, but it's anywhere from $300
300 to what?
to infinity.
Dude.
That looks like it. GT Aggressor.
Yeah, that does look like it.
We're looking at like
Might be like a...
$600.
That's pretty good. Well, maybe not a complete disaster.
Got ourselves a bite with no seat.